Hi everyone! Geology? Who needs rocks? And what happened to my body?
Hi everybody, we're just getting in touch to let you know we're working on the structured class. We're ready for remote learning and we're having a great time. Ben, why don't you say hello also? Our videographer is turning his camera.
Hi everybody, I'm here filming.
And what else are you doing, Ben?
I'm also trying to get 3D scans of our hand samples up so you guys can play with them on your computer just like you would in real life. And producing a variety of fun videos for everybody.
Okay, one more helper is here. Finn, come on, Finn, help. There he is.
There he
He's
is.
helping out. Morning, everybody. We're here in Garden of the Gods Park in Colorado Springs, offering the first virtual field lab for the structural geology course in 2020.
So we've come around the corner here and we can see a big offset marker with these oxidation bands. These should line up with these, but they don't. So what's going on? There seem to be an array of fractures, all with similar orientations. The biggest one, down along the base here, has this kind of persistent overhang that makes it appear as if the upper rock has advanced over the lower rock.
It was interesting going into this knowing it was a very field-based course typically, and we altered the shape of our class after the first week where we had a lot of Zoom meetings and it was mostly lectures. And I personally think that the activities, especially like in the second week where we were given like kind of small group projects for the day and then we're able to Zoom in a few times that day with their professors to ask questions, was probably the best classroom setup.
Not everybody feels welcome to speak in this format. You can't really kind of talk over each other, have sort of a lively discussion. So I think having that flipped class format and also being available for the students to have them contact you was essential.
It was definitely easy to like contact professors pretty much whenever, because it seems like, I mean, their main focus is on this.
It's interesting you brought that up as a positive. Nice to know.
I thought that was both like a good and a bad thing though, because it made it so I felt like I was like only doing this class for the past few weeks, which is good and bad.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so weapon of choice was a hammer.
Yeah.
And you had a very thin rock and you're applying a point force to it with a flat force underneath it, right, which is the floor.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you've got a shattering because it's a point source, and therefore the stress distribution is sort of, radial. But because it's elongate, it broke in half. So the geometry of the material is quite important as to how it will break.
Maybe I need to cut it to white because, beautiful. There we go.
This is a really great opportunity to see how the geology department and the classes can become more accessible to more students, because I think sometimes the long field trips, especially, if you're off campus for multiple days, it can be hard for a lot of students who have jobs or other obligations.
Yeah, we're really excited about that aspect. So now all our priority is put on developing a different type of 140 that we plan to continue to teach for the foreseeable future.
Nice job, everybody.
Great job, all block. Thanks for your staying power, stamina, and then great presentations today.
Bye.
Bye.